A hovering drone that flies almost without electricity is ready. Seoul, scientists in South Korea have developed a micro-drone that uses 150 degrees less energy than conventional drones, generates electricity from wind, and can stay aloft for long periods of time. Despite all the advantages, drones consume electricity quickly and thus cannot be flown for long periods of time. Under this reduction, the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology has successfully tested it in an experimental wind tunnel. The drone generated electricity from the air and stayed in the air for a long time. It uses air waves to hover and is also an important innovation in energy saving. It works even with a slight breeze. It has been named Micro Air Vehicle, MAV, inspired by birds that hover in the air. This process is called orographic soaring, which uses air waves. When the wind hits a mountain or obstacle, it is deflected upwards and thus the birds hover in the same place. Based on its sensors and algorithms, it notices changes in wind waves and keeps changing its position. Thus it can fly successfully by expending minimum energy. This unmanned aerial vehicle, MAV, can be used for search and rescue, surveillance and continuous aerial surveillance of a location. However, more research and experiments are needed to improve it.